Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So guys, before starting the video, if I want to tell you guys, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe my channel and Androitivity. So guys, today's topic is really very good. So today I'll be telling you how to download Fortnite for Android, the official release. So guys, the Fortnite Android was released when Samsung Note 9 was released. So guys, let's start. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is to open your browser, and there you have to search for Fortnite. You have to type on URL fortnite.com/android. Here it is written. So when you will type this, the Android beta will open. It will start searching, and then you have to click on sign up for email invite. Now you have to tell if you played or not, so I will say no. Then you have to sign up, so I will sign up with the Facebook. So guys, now here is the most important part. So the Fortnite is just released for some of the devices, and it is not released for all the Android devices. So guys, if you are not in this device, then you have to click on other Android device, then click on OK, and then click on select. Now they will send you an invite email on your account, which is linked with the sign up process. So guys, just open your Gmail, and there you will get the Epic Games email where it is written to pre-install Fortnite on your compatible to Android device and get started. So you have to click on the get started button, and when you will click on that, it will redirect to you on the page. So in this page you have to click on get started, and when you click on get started, then there's the download option. After clicking the download option, your download will be started. So guys, but I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. So guys, once the download is complete, just open your file manager, and there go to your downloads folder, and here you will get this APK. Just install it. So when the APK installs, click on open. So boom guys, here is the Fortnite Android, but in my phone it's not compatible. If it is compatible in your phone, then it will work. So guys, the Epic Games said that in the interview that they will release Fortnite for all Android devices in 1 or 2 weeks. So we have to just wait for 1 or 2 weeks. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel Androitivity on YouTube. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. So thanks for watching. Thank you. One more thing is that guys, if your device is supported, then the install option will come over here, as you can see over here. Okay, and you have to click on the install button. And also I want to say that I will provide this Fortnite installer Google Drive link in the description, so that you can download directly from there. So now thanks for watching, and thank you.